Today on the Grilling King, grilled cinnamon chicken. My wife said, ugh, but see if she actually likes it. Hey, welcome into the Grilling King. I'm Ryan Brown. Thanks for joining us for another edition. Today, I'm pretty pumped about what we're doing. It's going to be a little spicy, a little sweet, some Asian flair. It's called cinnamon chicken. Now, when my wife said, what are you doing for the next video? I said cinnamon chicken, and she said, ugh. Supportive as always, but I'm pretty excited about what we're doing here. As I told her, as with all things we do here on the Grilling King, it will at least be barely edible. So we're going to combine all these ingredients. We're going to put it over the chicken, put it on the grill. This is about as simple as it gets. Before we get started though, a few reminders. You can always follow us on social media at Grilling King. It's where you find us on all social media. So give us a follow there and we'll have plenty of extra things coming out there on social media. Our website is thegrillingking.com. It's where you get this recipe and all of our recipes. You can even submit one there if we choose it and use it here on the Grilling King. You are the recipient of an Amazon gift card. And as always, while you're here, why not just go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, let's get things started for cinnamon chicken. It's gonna be really, really good. We're gonna start with just a little bit of honey. Absolutely anything is better with honey. Of course, the star ingredient is our cinnamon. We're gonna add some of that as well. A little bit of cooking sherry. More on that in a moment. This is curry powder, and this is powdered garlic. You might not want to use garlic salt because the sherry has got some salt in it, so you don't want this to be too salty. But we've mixed all those together, and we're just going to stir them and then pour it over our chicken before we put it on the grill. All right, as you can see, we've just decided to use some boneless, skinless chicken tenders, and we've got the marinade, and it's very simple. We're just going to pour this marinade over the top. And we're going to cover this and have it in the refrigerator for at least an hour, but as long as you can. The longer you leave it on there, the better this marinade is going to soak in, and we're going to have some great cinnamon chicken. Okay, we're just about ready to put the chicken on the grill. Hey, a quick update on my wife. She said she's going to try one when they come off the grill now. So that's a win for us, right? It's a long way from ugh, which is where we started this day. All right, we have to pay lawyers a lot of money here on the Grilling King to keep us from getting sued. They implore us to tell you that you never let chicken marinate for more than 24 hours. We tell them you're smarter than that, but they don't believe us. They also tell us that the FDA says you should cook chicken to 165 degrees internal temperature. I think that's too much. That's what the FDA says though. All right, we're going to cook these 450 degrees on the grill. I've put a little olive oil on the grill grate so they don't stick as much. And we'll probably cook them pretty fast, maybe 8 to 10 minutes max per side. All right, so let's get the chicken on the grill. All right, we're about 6-7 minutes in here, so we're gonna flip these over and see what we got after a little bit on the first side. Now don't forget this honey on these is going to make it burn if you keep it down too long, so be aware of that. We're only gonna cook these about 5 or 6 more minutes and they'll be ready to go. Some great cinnamon chicken. All right, it's time. Let's see how they turned out. Oh yeah, absolutely terrific. All right, these have come off the grill. They smell absolutely terrific. You can kind of smell that mix of the curry and the cinnamon and of course the charcoal from the grill. To my wife's defense, she's about to try this, but cinnamon is kind of a weird thing to put on chicken, right? I mean, you think about it on French toast or sweet potatoes or desserts. It's great on this chicken as well though. All right, we're about ready to cut into it, but before we do that, just a reminder, please follow us on all of our social media. At Grilling King is where you find us on any social media, and you can visit our website, thegrillingking.com. This recipe and all of our other recipes are there at thegrillingking.com. Submit one. If we choose to use it, you can get an Amazon gift card. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel here. All right, that's enough talking. It's time to cut into one of these great pieces of cinnamon chicken. Man, look at that. Nice, juicy, and smells fantastic. Are you ready for your bite?
Sure. That's good.
That's good.
That's good.
That's good. Put that on my tombstone.